इन इंडिया रोबोट है और इसके जितने भी डिवाइसेस हैं, मैकेनिज्म हैं, मोटर्स हैं और यूजुअली सर्वो मोटर का प्रयोग किया जाता है कॉलेज के रोबोट में। इसमें इंडस्ट्रियल मोटर जो होता है, स्टेपर मोटर, उसका प्रयोग किया गया है। आर्यभट्ट ज्ञान विश्वविद्यालय के साथ हमारा लगभग 11 वर्षों का साथ है। हम एक शाखा हैं जिसका वृक्ष, जड़ और जहाँ से हमें जो पोषण मिलता है वो विश्वविद्यालय है। और उस विश्वविद्यालय के जो हमारे कुलपति महोदय प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर शरद कुमार यादव सर, और अपने कार्यकाल की शुरुआत में ही इन्होंने ये स्पष्ट कर दिया कि ये विश्वविद्यालय को सिर्फ संचालन करने हेतु बिहार नहीं आए हैं, ये रूपांतरण करने आए हैं। Who is the VC of Aryabhatta College?
The Vice Chancellor of the Unified Knowledge University is Honorable Professor Dr. Sharad Kumar Yadav.
आपसे हैंडशेक के लिए बुला रहा हूँ। और ये सिंगापुर से इसको ऑफर मिला है, इंटरव्यू पूरा सिंगापुर से हुआ। कितने का पैकेज है तुम्हारा? 10.5
May I request Honorable Vice Chancellor of Aryabhatta Knowledge University, Professor Sharad Kumar Yadav sir, to please come forward and give some speech.
This is my immense privilege that I am here to see the first humanoid of Bihar, or rather in this region. This is a very increasing sign, particularly for Bihar, in which such type of the activity is going on, when such things can be developed in the private institutions. And this is not only the pride for you, this is the pride for our university also. If you are developing such things which are industry friendly, means if you are develop this humanoid, in future you try to develop those robots or in robotics which are industry friendly. I have discussed with your director that I will give you the input, what are the requirement industry is having and where you can excel. If you perform directly the need-based work on robotics, this will be very fruitful for you and for your career, because this will bear the various other things also that UGC will recognize it, and you can go to patenting it, and then you can go for royalty. So in future, my university will help you in this particular ground, that my team will provide you the inputs on which line you will work, because this is a very primary concept which I have generated and is being already used in Western world, that I have already discussed with the director. But using the entire component of India, that is Make in India, it's a great for India and great for Bihar. As far as the placements are concerned, every student has got its own potential. A lot of students knew which can go abroad and work there, but in Bihar what I am seeing that there is a lot of outflux. I am discussing this with the higher bodies in Bihar that students should be absorbed here because Bihar has a lot of potential, a lot of mind, a lot of grey matter. So in future, our planning will be that whatever the industry is there in Bihar, they will our university will collaborate with them and will try to have jobs of you in Bihar itself. Other courses, as I have discussed with our university, we are introducing some new courses, and these courses are job oriented. Those courses which are need of the hour. So very shortly we will have the new courses in our university, which your college will affiliate and will have the influx in those courses. I commend the team of CMH for their vision and dedication and timeless efforts of bringing the remarkable creation of life here. I am seeing this a vibrant campus. I am going various places, but it's a vibrant campus, and your new campus is also very good, which I have visited. This shows the commitment of your director and your organization, how much they are working, because establishing such type of the institutions in this state is difficult, and in my university those institutions which are excelling, I am making a short meeting with them in short time where we will discuss that how we can improve these institutions further and how we can provide the financial help and how we can further develop these institutions. This is from assurance on my side. You can see that in medical science, robotics is used in surgery nowadays. But these all are important. If you develop these in India, if you develop yourself and you standardize those tools, then it's a very remarkable task. So I want to see that such type of thing should become from the first CMA also. So as we embark this journey, exciting journey into the future, let us embrace the opportunities that lie ahead with optimism, curiosity and sense of wonder, and let us continue to push the boundaries of what possible and strive to create a world where innovation knows no bound. The university has immense hope from this institution as well as all other affiliated colleges, and I want to see that as Professor Neeraj told me that you have excelled in one of the Kabaddi. So our university is having daily letters from UGC and from other organizations that sport should be promoted. So particularly I want to meet that team that excelled in BHU and they bring the laurels to your institution, and particularly to our university also. This is my particular sharing with you that I played the state for my university, and I played the national for the University of UPs. I represented the UP State University. Sports is my passion. I am finding a right institution to enhance and give the potential students push up. So with these words, then I think in 5 years or 10 years, I think this CMH will be a university itself. Thank you.
सर के लिए कुछ बहुत दिल से कहना चाहूँगी, नॉट बिकॉज सर यू आर हियर, बट कुछ चीज़ें जो आपके पीछे से भी हम कहते हैं दैट अब लगता है काम करने में मज़ा आएगा, क्योंकि जो हम चीज़ें कर रहे हैं या जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस हम लाना चाह रहे हैं, लगता है अब कोई है जो पीठ थपथपा रहा है और कह रहा है आगे बढ़ो, मैं हूँ ना। सर ये बहुत बड़ी बात होती है, बट सर जब से आपसे मिले हैं, trust me, you have changed the entire concept wherein you have given us this confidence कि सिर्फ ये नहीं, तुम लोग ये भी कर सकते हो। हमारी सारी परेशानियों को आप इतने प्यार से सुनते हैं, सर हैट्स ऑफ टू यू। हम परेशान होते हैं, आपको कॉल करते हैं, आप कहते हैं आ जाओ। आप ना सिर्फ सुनते हैं, समझते हैं, आप अश्योर करते हैं कि चैन से रहो, मैं देख लूंगा। तो मैं एक बात चाहूंगी, हमारे जितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं खड़े हो करके सर को अपना ग्रैटिट्यूड शो करो और इतनी जोर तालियां बजाओ कि सर को पता चले एक संस्थान ऐसा है जो सर आपका रोल मॉडल होगा आपके विश्वविद्यालय का, और आप गर्व से कह सकेंगे कि ये मेरे विश्वविद्यालय का कॉलेज है। Thank you so much, sir, for honoring us. We can never thank you enough. Thank you.
जो IITN कर रहे हैं, तो सी में जाकर ऐसा क्या किया कि यहाँ के बच्चे बना दिए?
मेहनत, इनकी अपनी मेहनत और इनका अपना विजन, जो बच्चों का अपना विजन, सपोर्ट उनको, उसकी सबकी वजह से ये सब डेवलप हुआ।